chestnuts roasting, Jack Frost nipping at your nose.
Welcome to Vlogmas 12, I think.
Wow!
Yeah, okay, let's go outside. Let's show them what's going on outside. It is freezing out here.
Yeah.
And something's going on. Something fishy is happening.
Yeah. It's snowing.
It's snowing. Quite a lot, but I don't know if it's starting. It's not really sticking. But it just started too, so.
Hungry.
Okay, so it stopped snowing, but it's been cold all day, and then it started snowing again, and it's been crazy today. But it looks like I fixed my sound problem on YouTube. It looks like it, so we will try this again. We're back to Vlogmas. Welcome
To Vlogmas.
12.
Whoa.
She couldn't even say it before. Get down on my plate. So why not show you guys a recipe from HelloFresh, and I can make it and show it to you guys. And I will be able to use my new microphone now, which is exciting. So here's a picture of what the recipe is going to look like, and the ingredients: the roasted garlic and zucchini flatbreads with white sauce and chives. It is prepped 10 minutes, cooked 40 minutes, and 610 calories for the whole meal. Here are the instructions. Here's the paper bag that it comes in, and it has a label to let you know which meal it is. Here it comes with 2 flatbreads, a box of red tomatoes, Philadelphia cheese, zucchini, 2 Philadelphia cheeses, Italian seasoning, mozzarella cheese, chili flakes, chives, 1 piece of garlic, garlic powder, can't really see, garlic powder, flour, and here's the cool part about the bag: you can recycle it, or you can use it as a trash bag for your little trash. So we're gonna preheat the oven here to 450 degrees. And now we're going to cut the zucchini, and I'm taking the edges off of it, and we're going to cut them in half moons. And we're going to prep the garlic. Next, we're going to put it in a foil and drizzle some oil into it and some salt. So this part I was a little confused about. I thought you were supposed to make it into a ball, but apparently you were just supposed to make it into a little bit of a cup. So now you're taking your red tomatoes and you're cutting them in halves. And I keep saying red tomatoes, but they're grape tomatoes. And then you're going to take your chives and you're going to cut them into very, very small pieces. You want them to be minced pretty much. Now you're going to take a baking tray, and I took this liner, and I'm putting my zucchini on there. It's easier to group it up to add all the seasonings, but I forgot to add all the seasonings. And you're going to put your garlic in the corner. So now you're going to take 1 teaspoon of the Italian seasoning, and you're going to put it on your zucchini halves. And I spread them all over the place before putting the oil, but you put your oil in it, and you also add some salt. Then you're going to put it on the top rack. And you're going to leave it there for 14 minutes. I left it for 7 minutes and it was fine. Now you're going to take your grape tomatoes, and you're going to take 1 teaspoon of the Italian seasoning, and you're going to mix it in a bowl with oil and salt. And you're just going to mix it and put it aside. And now the zucchini is done, so I am putting it in a bowl and throwing away the old liner and adding a new one. This new liner, you're going to toast your flatbread and you're also going to put your garlic on the tray again. And you're going to leave that for 5 minutes. Next, you're going to take a pan or a saucepan and you're going to add 1 tablespoon of butter and you're going to melt it. And you're going to take flour and also mix it in. Sorry if you hear yelling in the background. My foster brother's playing video games and I still don't know how to use the microphone completely, so we will get there. This is garlic powder as well. And you're going to mix it all up and then you're going to add 1/2 cup of water. And for this part, you want to use a whisk. You don't want to mix with a spoon. And you're also going to, before whisking, you're going to add in the cheese, which is the main part, the Philadelphia cheese. And this is going to make your white sauce. I don't think I've said that before, but this is going to make your white sauce. After whisking, you're going to let it simmer for a few minutes and then until it gets into a thick consistency, which is what I got there. Then you're going to take your roasted garlic and you're going to cut it into the tiniest little pieces ever. And you're going to put your sauce on your flatbread. Then you're going to take your roasted garlic and you're going to put it all over your flatbread, and it's such a nice taste. It really adds such a great taste. And you're going to take your zucchini and your cherry tomatoes and your cheese and you're going to place them all on there. And this is the final product. I just added some chive and chili flakes on top. All right, now it's time to test it. Let's see, it looks super yummy. Look at my teeth, they're so red. I mean, we got snow, that was fun. But now that I have the issue solved, I will be back. So I'll see you guys in tomorrow's. Bye.
Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas.